aviation. At the beginning, around a century ago, it was a different world, full of curious people who approached the new flying machines with curiosity and excitement. Air travel used to be something very special back then, for people on the ground, and of course for the lucky few who traveled by airplane. That's not the case so much anymore. Sure, those of us that have a strong passion for flying still get excited every time we hear an airplane flying overhead. But let's face it, the majority of people coming to the airport these days to board a flight sees flying as a nuisance, not an exciting event. This makes it all the more special when an airport does something out of the ordinary to attract people young and old, and to make airplanes fun and exciting again for everyone, not just for pilots. We just had such an event at my home airport here earlier in July, officially called Pulling for Honor, even though I like to think of it also as an airport open house, to experience the airport as a fun and exciting place like it used to be. My involvement that day was as a pilot for a Young Eagles Rally, where kids from 8 to 17 years old are invited to go on an airplane ride, free of charge. All they have to do is show up and bring a parent to sign some paperwork. Our local EAA group, Chapter 33, has been doing Young Eagles rallies for a long time, giving thousands of kids a free ride in the sky, and for many of those kids it was the very first time they left the ground. We had heavy storms come through the area overnight, and as we set up, the clouds are still low, too low for VFR flight. Our planes are ready, from a Piper Pacer to a Stinson, to a Comanche, to Cessnas and Bonanzas, all waiting for the weather to improve. A couple of controllers from the tower join us for a pre-flight briefing and to discuss procedures for the day. We won't need to call clearance. Each airplane has a transponder code pre-assigned. We'll all fly the same route over downtown Cedar Rapids, and we'll stay on the tower frequency and not switch to approach control.
Tower on here. You guys already basically have your clearances at or below 3,000, and here's your squawk code, and there's your frequencies, and the runway is 9 as of right now. So
all of this prep work happens at the West Ramp, a space for general aviation away from the airline terminal. That way, commercial traffic can continue as normal, a useful setup for special events here at the Cedar Rapids Airport. Until the weather improves, I have a chance to check out the rest of the event area. There are food and drink vendors, even a beer tent, though for me that will have to wait, and there are ways for kids to dispense some energy. A few aircraft are on displays, like this Polish helicopter and one of the flight test jets belonging to a local aerospace company. But the number one attraction today is a FedEx Boeing 757, used for the day's main event, the airplane pull. Teams of 25 people are going to play tug of war with this heavy airplane, and whoever can pull it 12 feet the fastest wins.
So here's how this is going to work, folks. And don't start yet. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, pull. Does that work for everybody? Does everybody hear that, judges and the pilot? I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, and then pull. And then we'll try to give a visual as well. All right, let me ask Team FedEx, are you ready? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, your first pull of the day. 3, 2, 1, pull! Here they go, folks. They are pulling this huge machine. What time we got here? Let me walk around. 5, 6, 3. Give them a big round of applause. You talk about dedicated employees. They work all week, then they make them come out and pull their own plane.
Besides being a fun event, the airplane pull is a fundraiser for Eastern Iowa Honor Flight, an organization that invites veterans to fly to Washington, D.C. and visit the memorials built to honor them. Later, there's going to be a kids version of the airplane pull where they trade the 757 for a Cessna Citation, but by that time the weather had improved and I was busy flying, so I didn't get a chance to capture that event. I did, however, have GoPros in the Bonanza to capture reactions from my young passengers, and that's what I'll leave you with today. I did 3 rides, 3 kids each, and got the full range of reactions from no visible response at all, to excited faces but silent, to ecstatic and very vocal. See for yourselves.
And any first impressions? What does it feel like?
I don't know. You can't really describe it yet.
Better than any of the commercial airlines I've been on.
Yeah, you can see so much better, right?
Yeah, because you can see all around you.
You guys are having fun already, I like this.
Yeah.
You know, the kids that were in the plane before you, they were quiet, they didn't say a word the whole flight. I was wondering, is something wrong? Are they getting sick? But no, it's okay to talk.
I talk
Good.
a lot.
Okay, continue following paces, runway 9, clear to land, There's an Allegiant airliner to our left.
And we're up!
And we're up.
Whoa. A lot of cars. See that jet? Holy buckets, that's a lot of cars. Whoa. How high are we?
We are about 700 feet above the ground right now.
Holy cow. Whoa!
Those cars look like my toy cars.
Yes, they do.
Very tiny. This is fun.
That's good. I like to hear that.
71 kilo. Wind calm.
That works.
I see there's stick water.
The sticks in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think those are?
Oh.
Do they look like tree branches?
Yeah. Is that a baseball field over there?
Yeah, there's a baseball field.
It looks like a golf course.
It probably is a golf course. Let's see, what are you looking? That is a golf course, yeah.
3 uniform, turn left on Alpha 1. Correction,
I
Alpha
saw
3 and contact ground point 6. Thank you for your help.
It looks tiny from up here, yes.
Alpha 3 and contact ground. Thank you.
That's a big golf course.
Courtney, if you look down on your side now, you can see a football field and baseball from...
Yeah,
That's part of Co College.
Whoa.
Oh, soccer field.
Yep, they have that too. Alright, does anybody remember where the airport is?
South.
Okay, which way is that?
That way.
You are correct.
Woohoo!
Hey, you'll be our chief navigator from here.
Yeah. Right now we're going west.
That is correct, yes. Very good. How do you know that?
School.
Very good. Alright, who likes roller coasters?
Jason does.
Does anyone not like roller coasters?
I love them.
You love them. Shall we
My
do a
mother.
little bit that's more like a roller coaster ride?
Yeah.
My mother
Alright.
does not like roller coasters.
Who does not?
My mom.
Oh, this is a good thing she's not here, right?
Yeah. Whee! Whee!
Oh, we can do up and weightless.
That was awesome!
Can we do that again?
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
Whee! Whee! Yes! Whoa!
3874 Cedar Rapids, good afternoon. Runway 9 are clear to land, wind 160 at 3, Bonanza short climb.
Wait, greens.
Runway 9 clear to land, Sky 3874, good afternoon.
Everybody,
We're landing. Just let you know, Shay, because you can't see.
That was awesome. What's that red spinning thing to the right?
That's the radar.
Oh.
Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo, turn left next taxiway, contact ground point 6.
Left here at Alpha 3, ground point 6, Bonanza 0 Tango Bravo. Thanks for the help today.
Awesome, thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I like the roller coaster ride.
Okay. Alright, it's called ground. Cedar Rapids ground. Young Eagles, Bonanza 7 0 Tango Bravo at Alpha 3, request taxi to the west rim.
Bonanza 7 0 Tango Bravo, Cedar Rapids ground taxi to parking via Alpha 3.
To parking via Alpha 3, Bonanza 7 0 Tango Bravo, and thanks so much for the help today.
Thanks, you too.
An airplane,
Alright, who liked this? Who had fun? Awesome. And that's it for today. For all of you heading out to Oshkosh next week, have tons of fun and be safe, while I will be riding my bicycle across the state of Iowa with 15,000 of my closest friends. See you next time.